Yo guys, as you guys can see, I am playing Fortnite right now, and it's literally chapter 4. On this date, it is December 3rd of 2022, and the event just happened. I'm not waiting till 4 a.m. to play Fortnite. I'm playing right now, if you know what I mean. If you guys want to do this as well, make sure to watch the full entire video without skipping. Comment down below your username 10 times and I may gift you a skin. But without further ado, let's get straight on to the tutorial. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I'm actually in Fortnite right now on my account, and I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do this without skipping downtime so you guys can play some chapter 4. Alright, so the first thing that you guys want to do is actually you guys want to go into the link of the description, and then once you guys are there, it's going to eventually take you to my Discord server. Guys, once you guys are at my Discord server, you're going to be at the start here channel. To actually download this, you guys want to go into the hashtag downloads, press unlock download. It's going to create a ticket for you. Once you guys are here, all you want to do is you guys want to click this link right here. It's going to take you to one of my videos, and all you want to do is subscribe. I'm going to go on my other account really quick so I could show you what to do. Basically, what you want to do is you guys literally all you want to do is just subscribe. So as long as you're subscribed and have the all bell notification enabled, you want to take a screenshot of that. So go on snipping tool and then just press new, and then you guys want to take a screenshot of being subscribed. As long as it shows the subscribe and the notification bell, you guys can screenshot that. And then basically from there, guys, what you guys want to do is you guys want to go back into that Discord channel and upload a file. Basically, you guys can do this on mobile too. It's a lot more easier to take a screenshot on mobile. And once you include a screenshot of being subscribed, you will automatically get access to this link, which is right here. Once you guys press that link, it's going to take you to my Beacons AI link, which is right here, guys. Once you guys are here, all you want to do is you guys simply just want to go on to the EZFN dev, which is right at the bottom, and then press I'm not a robot, and then press free access with ads, close out, wait around 3 to 4 seconds, and then you guys can close this out, and then you guys can press the BitGuardian or whatever download. What you guys want to do is you guys don't actually have to run the program. As long as you download it, it'll automatically recognize it in 30 to 50 seconds. Also, please be patient with this because like I said, it takes around 30 to 50 seconds to actually recognize that you downloaded it. You don't have to actually install it and do the setup, but as long as you have it downloaded, that is fine. And then you guys can close it out once that is checkmarked. Alright, so as you guys see, once it's checkmarked, you guys can press continue to EZFN dev, and then you guys can press download EZFN dev, and then you guys want to go onto the folder and then right click and then press extract here and then press yes to all. And then basically what it's going to do is you guys want to extract that folder and then run that linkvertise program. You guys want to press OK, next, skip all, and then press open. Then it's going to take you to the Discord, which is EZFN Discord, which is right here, guys. And then eventually, once you guys are here, all you want to do is whatever device you're on. If you want to play Fortnite Chapter 4 on iOS, you guys can go on here, but I'm going to be doing this for Windows. So what you want to do is you guys want to go on to this download right here. And then all you want to do is download it. And then once you have that downloaded, you can just run it. And then once you have that run, it'll take you to this website. Basically, what you want to do is you guys want to create an account if you don't have an account created already. And then you guys want to press private server. And then you guys can just do the latest version. I'm just going to put my name as Radius. And then you guys can do battle stars, gold balls, etc. And then you guys can just press launch. And then Fortnite should launch and you should have access to the Fortnite Chapter 4. As you guys can see, I am launching right now. And if you guys think this is pre-recorded, I could just go on my calendar right here. And as you can see, it's December 3rd. It just happened. The event just happened about an hour ago. We already found a way to actually bypass this. That is pretty cool. Obviously, be patient with this because it does take a little while to start. If you get an error occur, just ignore it. It's nothing. It's just recognizing and it's just bypassing Fortnite's downtime. Alright, so after a little bit of waiting, you guys should load into the lobby with your skins. And then you guys can play Chapter 4. As you can see, I'm in the lobby right now. But yeah, that's basically going to be the end of tutorial. If you guys did enjoy this video, like I said, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. And I will see you all in the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Peace out.